Hey everybody, hope you're having a great day. Happy Memorial Day to you. For those that serve in our armed forces here or all over the world, thank you for what you do, and of course remembering those in the past. Today I wanted to share with you about the swell bottle that I picked up. This is the insulated stainless steel 17-ounce bottle. Comes in several colors, and I was really excited to get this product. It's very hot here in South Florida. It's probably almost 90 degrees, if not warmer, and I'm going to do a test here in a minute, but I just wanted to share with you about the product. Again, this is the Stone Collection. Comes in three sizes. It comes in a 9, 17, and a 24-ouncer. And this is the blue tourmaline color. It comes in, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 colors. And the retail price on this 17 ounce is $35. The 25 is, let's see, the 25 ouncer is $45, and the 9 ounce is $25. So people really have had some great things to say. Really good quality. It's not heavy, and it's a good looking bottle. So just want to share with you a couple of features, and I'm going to do a test just to really see how well this really handles the heat. But it's coated twice with a grip, durable stone-like texture, keeps your drinks cold for 24, hot for 12. It's an 18/8 double-walled stainless steel, non-toxic, non-leaching, and BPA free. Bottles do not condensate, mouth wide enough for ice cubes and drip-free sipping, mouth sealed, keep liquids and carbonation fresh. A portion of the proceeds from this bottle will go back to WaterAid, and I really like what the company's doing. It's fantastic to help those poor countries that need fresh water, so fantastic. So my test today is I'm going to first, and it's just such a really great quality product. I love it. Let's see what comes in here. It says your swell bottle is made of double-walled insulated stainless steel to keep your beverages hot for 12 and cold for 24 hours. In order to achieve constant temperature maintenance, we created a new advanced metal science called thermal well technology. And there's some information. And then on the other side it says the only reusable bottle that looks great and do good. By using this bottle, you are reducing the number of plastic bottles in landfills and oceans and supporting charity partners and efforts to bring clean water to the world's poorest communities. So now what I want to do is put ice cubes in here, and then we're going to just lay it out. As you can see, ice cubes fit perfectly in here. So that's good. One of the things that I want to use is I ride an elliptical bicycle, and I have this area on the bottom of my elliptical bicycle where I can have a bag, and I can carry this, and I can have colder water longer. So might have to break the cubes up here as they're stuck together. And so now what I'm going to do is close the lid, and I am going to put it out here in the sun. It is now, let's see, we are going to see what time it is. Right now it is May 26th, so it is Memorial Day, and the time right now is, let's see, the time right now is 1:38 p.m. I don't know if you can see that, but it is 1:38 p.m. So I'm going to see how it does till about 6, 7 o'clock. I think 5, 6 hours in the heat, although it says 24 hours, and I might let it go through the night. I'm going to come back, test it till later when the sun's gone down, just to see how much of the ice melted, and we'll pour out and just really see how this is coming along. So let's go ahead and put it out by the pool. Alright, so here we go. It is hot out, and I am going to leave this out here and let it just bake in the sun, and let's see how it does. And we'll be back later this evening. It's 4:48, and I moved it from over the table over there to over here because the sun was moving. So we're going to go ahead and check the water bottle. Still here are the ice cubes, and look at that. Just, you can see how just a little bit of water. It's mostly still ice cubes in here, so we're going to keep it going, but 3 hours beating into the sun. This thing is working great so far. So let's keep checking on as the sun keeps hitting on the bottle. But this thing looks like it's going to live up to the test, as they say it is supposed to. And I'm just going to leave it over there for now and let it just bake in the sun. Well, it's 9:50 in the evening, and actually just got back from a Memorial Day party, and wanted to see how the ice is holding up. And you can hear the ice cubes are in there. In fact, let's take one out. Whoop, it's dripping some water, but you can see there's one of the ice cubes. So far I'm really impressed, and look forward to letting it go for a full 24 hours. And seeing how much ice is left at that point. But so far so good. Really love the texture of the bottle, and looking forward to really getting a lot of use out of this. And we'll be back tomorrow, so I will come back. We'll give an update in the morning, and then a final one at 1:30, which will be about 24 hours. So we'll see you back here in the morning. Well, I just got back from my ride, and it's about 9:10. It's 81 degrees, and the humidity is around 76%. And so just wanted to see how, if there's ice cubes. Sure enough, it's still going. The ice cubes are there. I can actually, feel more of the water now. It's starting to, the ice cubes are really starting to melt. But really amazing. I'm gonna put this out till 1:30. Come back, give my final thoughts, and we'll also put it in my car where the beverage holder goes, and see how well that fits, and give a final report. But in the meantime, while it's nice and hot and I just got back from my ride, time for me to take a jump in the pool. Okay, well, it is about 1:30. It's about 84 degrees, feeling close to 90 degrees, really hot out. And so I've had an opportunity now for 24 hours where I just put ice in here to see how it would actually hold up in this heat and humidity even through the night. So let's go ahead and pour that into the cup, and we'll see. Believe it or not, there's still some ice cubes in here. So let's see what we got the outcome. Oh wow, that's nice and cold. And I think there's some ice cubes still in there. So got it all out. And yes, there is a handful of ice cubes that are still in here. That is amazing. Really, really amazing. I know there's several kind of products out there that have a concept like this, but I'm really, amazed that this really has exceeded my expectations. One last test that I want to do is I actually want to just take refrigerated cold water and put it in here till this evening. So we'll spend this afternoon baking in the sun, and then we'll come back for a final test. So you get an idea both with ice cubes and cold water. I'll try it, and we'll see. I'll be right back. I'm going to go get that cold water, and we'll pour it in here. I'll be right back. Okay, so I grabbed my pitcher of cold water from the refrigerator. I'm going to go ahead and pour it in here now, and then I'll come back later this afternoon when the sun is kind of gone down quite a bit, and we'll taste how cold the water tastes. So let's get that all filled up. This will give you an idea how much water this is going to hold. Almost filled up. Nice and cold. And now I'm going to, actually I got to pour some out because the cap's going to go on there. Alright, let's say I poured a little bit too much in there. So it's filled up, so what we're going to do is, again, let it sit in the sun, and we'll be back to see how cold it tastes a little bit later today. Well, it's 6:30. It's about 80 degrees. Humidity 76%. Feels like 84. And so now is the time to test, although it's not 24 hours without any ice cubes, but I really, with it baking in this hot heat, obviously, water's going to get warm, but I wanted to compare how cold this stayed versus I just poured some from my refrigerator. So first, I'm going to open the bottle and try the water. Wow, it really gets the temperature just about when I remember putting it in, but let me taste it, compare it to just taking it out of the fridge. It is so close, you almost can't really even taste the difference. It might be slightly colder from the refrigerator than in the bottle, but it's really not much of a difference. Wow, this is going to be a huge help for me when I go on my cycling rides, even just during the day, just to have cold water, and just think with the ice cube how your liquids are going to stay colder. I'm really excited. I also got a 25-ounce bottle coming as well, and really excited. Last thing I want to do is just go into my car and put this in the area where I have a cup holder and see how that fits there. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put it in the cup holder. This is the bigger one, so you're going to see it moves around quite a bit. And then the smaller one, it does fit in there. It still moves around, but you can easily put it in your cup holder. So anyway, click on the link to get more information. I hope this video was of help. Thanks for liking it, subscribing to my channel. I'll be sure to subscribe back to yours. And most importantly, drink cold water. Have a great day. Take care.